What about for the people that work on the shop floor, the operators? So if somebody's been running a thermoforming line for 10 years, what's the difference about running a dry fiber? I know there's a benefit if they've already got ILLIG machines in house because from what I understand, it's the same control system, right? Across all the range. But what's the difference for the things like retraining? Is it a difficult step?
Customers will adapt to that very fast because on the input side, upstream side, you have the roll with the allied material. Of course, it's behaving different than a plastic sheet. You have a preparation station, so the process is divided into 4 steps. First of all, out of the roll, we cut out pre-cut blanks, which meet the surface and the geometry of the finally formed part. Then we do a preform process where we push the fibers into the correct position and achieve the forming depth. So the fibers are not stretchable or elastic like thermoplastics are. So we have to push them into the right place. And after that, after we have done this, we apply a pressing step with pressure and temperature, and we consolidate the part to be a solid packaging form part. Last step is cutting of the rim, that we have a clean and smooth sealing rim in the part. And of course, then you can add all the end-of-line options that you know from ILLIG: stacking, packing, decorating, whatever you can imagine. This is common sense to the use of ILLIG thermoforming machines. And then when it comes to the machine layout, have, the preparation station, which is kind of different from a thermoforming machine, but I think very easy to understand because it's a punching machine which cuts the blanks out of the web. Then we have the 2 forming stations, which are very similar to the ILLIG RDK or RV line machines. And we have the punching station as well. So this process will be understood very fast. And then it's about the tooling, of course. The tools have to be set up correctly, have to be aligned. But I think as we gained a lot of experience in the last years developing that process from manual single lab scale over an automated DFM lab process and now finishing the DFM 100 line, we can support the customers very well in training and process knowledge and technology on that point.
Tom, have you got anything that you would like to add around the training or any of the tooling that Tobias has mentioned?
I guess the thing is we've had active customers already take on some of the lab machines to do their own testing, do their own developments. So we have a bit of a blueprint, shall we say, of how we brought them into house, how we got them set up on that, how we got the operators set up on that. So we have a current blueprint that we can use, and we've refined, defined, to make it as easy as possible.